All right, ladies, listen up. Revivify Medical Spa, they're offering a new non-surgical way to get rid of some of that pesky fat that just won't go away. So we have Dr. Lubna Elahi from Revivify Medical Spa to tell us about this groundbreaking, game-changing procedure. How you doing?
I'm great. Thank you so much for having me here. It's a great opportunity for me. I want to talk about the beautiful liposuction. As you know, liposuction is the most sought out cosmetic procedure in the aesthetic industry. Liposuction has been out there since the 70s, but it has, the traditional liposuction was pretty intense.
Yeah.
Because it was so much mechanical. There was a lot of downtime. Patient had to go under anesthesia, pain, and all that stuff came with it. But with this new laser assisted liposuction, we have really taken liposuction to the next level. It's a game changer. And I have the beautiful laser liposuction machine, in which we can do liposuction, transfer the fat, and do skin tightening in the same session.
Okay, so let's talk about why you think this is such a game changer. Right now, we're kind of looking at the procedure and kind of an illustration of what can happen. But what are some of the key things that stand out about this new way of doing lipo?
Yeah. So as the name says, BeautFill, okay, it's an indication of that you can transfer this fat very safely to another parts of the body. But starting from the very beginning, this patient will not have to go under anesthesia. We do it under local anesthesia. So when we give the local anesthesia, it actually helps constrict the blood vessels.
Okay.
So the hematomas and bruising and pain is so much more less. There is hardly any pain actually. The patient could be talking to you and you could be doing the procedure.
Wow. About how long does it take?
So it depends upon how much I have to take out.
I guess that is definitely the right answer.
Right, but probably about 2 to 3 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, and then the patient can pretty much safely drive home unless, if I have given them any oral sedation, just like Benadryl or something, they may be a little drowsy, but otherwise, they can pretty much drive home. Most of my patients have gone back to work in 2 days.
Wow. That's what I was going to ask about downtime. How can we compare that to a traditional procedure?
Oh, big difference, big difference. I mean, with that, patient would be really hurting, and there would be a lot of swelling and bruising. So it would be like weeks before they can actually lift something or go to work. But with this one, it's not the same.
Okay.
And also because it's laser assisted, the fat that's extracted through the procedure has a very high viability, about 95% higher. So when we transfer it to other parts of the body, we are giving that fat a new home. So for example, if we take it out from here and put it either on the face or breasts or buttocks, it's a new home for them, right? For that fat. So that fat needs to have time to be part of that new home. So with this type of procedure, there's a very, very, very high chance of that fat staying there for life.
Wow.
Yeah.
So sounds like lots of different benefits.
And skin tightening. So after traditional liposuction, you can lose, you can have some loose skin. Because the laser is going under the dermis and extracting fat, the heat is heating up the collagen at the same time.
And tightening your
So
skin.
in the few months after treatment, you also get skin tightening.
That is amazing. So I know I probably have some viewers out there who are wanting to know more. They have additional questions. How can they find you?
So our spa is on 3560 Delaware Street, and they can also go on my website. It's www.revivifymedicalspa.com. And they don't have to go to Houston anymore because we offer it right here in the office.
Right here in Southeast Texas.
In Beaumont.
Thank you so much for coming and sharing with us.
Thank you so much, Janaik.